Part of the EasyWave Chute system product support includes a series of instructional videos about the Chute system operations and informational videos about Chute system equipment. Equipment operating instructions are provided by demonstrating user actions and explaining how individual components are designed to perform a specific task. The contents of each video are targeted to different groups of viewers. This means there are multiple intake door user interface videos containing the same general information, but equipment demonstrations within each video will be performed on a specific type of door. There is a series of videos for pneumatic doors and a separate series for electric interlock doors. And within each series, there are separate videos for each type of user interface: Easy Wave, Easy Push, Buy Sorter, etc. A group of viewers such as building occupants, residential tenants, or housekeeping need only view the one intake door user interface video that matches the specific type of door installed within their building. For this group, property managers could share a link to the appropriate video, possibly as part of a tenant information packet, which would help streamline the selection process. On the other hand, janitors and maintenance staff will need additional information provided by other videos, such as the EasyWave Chute system overview video and the EasyWave base station overview videos. The Chute system overview video provides an overview of trash chute operations, describes the intake door user interface, and recommends waste disposal guidelines to keep your Chute system operating smoothly. The EasyWave base station overview training video demonstrates the function of the base station controller within the overall Chute control system. It helps operators respond to common Chute system conditions by describing the base station user interface and explaining the purpose of Chute system equipment sensors. Finally, locations with sorter equipment or anyone evaluating waste recycle options should view the EasyWave sorter videos. The Buy Sorter equipment overview training video demonstrates the main features and functions of sorter equipment and provides an overview of operating conditions. Watch the sorter user interface video and the configuration parameters video for more information about equipment operations and configuration options.